Hello children, I hope so that you all are happy and healthy at home. For your safety concern, we all teachers are trying to do our level best for your study. So today we will learn about polynomial and we will understand the concept of the polynomials today. So let's start. So the first is polynomials definition. A polynomial is a mathematical expression involving a sum of powers in one or more variables multiplied by coefficients. A polynomial in one variable with the constant coefficients is given by, for example, a n x to the power n plus a2 x to the power 2 plus a0, where n is indicating the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will consider n is here 1. So a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x to the power 2 plus a0 and so on. It can be extended. So all the terms which is related with the polynomials already you are very familiar because you have done in previous class algebraic expression, and in algebraic expression you already learn about the terms variable, constant, coefficient of the given expression. So these things will help you to understand this chapter. So content of these chapters are: first, term, variable and constant; second, degree and coefficient; third, how to find zero of the polynomials; fourth, remainder theorem; fifth is factorization of polynomials; and last one is algebraic identities. So let's see the first one, term, variables and constants. In mathematics, a constant is a non-varying value that is completely fixed or fixed in the context of use. The term usually occurs in opposition to variable, which is a symbol that stands for the value that may vary. So the constant, clear concept about the constant, that is the value should be fixed, it cannot be changed. Just for example, 1 is always equal to 1, 2 is always equal to 2 and so on. But in the case of the variable, that value may be vary. Just like you are getting the answer in the first question x equal to 2, and the next question you are getting x equal to minus 4, y equal to 2, and then next question you are getting y equal to 0. So the value is vary in the given questions, the type of the question. So we are considering all the numbers like 1, 2 counting numbers is a constant, and all the alphabets like A, B, C to Z, these all are the variables which value cannot be fixed, it can be changed. Just for example, 2x square plus 11y minus 22 is equal to 0. Here minus 22 is a constant because minus 22 there is no variable multiply with minus 22. This is a single there is a number which is a single form, that is in the form of constant. Now coefficient. For other uses of this word, see coefficient, that is disambiguation. In mathematics, a coefficient is a multiplicative factor in some term of an expression. It is usually a number, but in any case does not involve any variables of the expression. Whenever we are talking about the coefficient of the given polynomials, like for example 7x square minus 3xy plus 15 plus y, find the coefficient of x square. So which number is multiplied with x square? That is plus 7. So plus 7 will be coefficient of 7x square. The next term is minus 3xy. So minus 3 will be the coefficient of xy plus 15. So the 15 is a single constant number. So we can't find out the coefficient of that term. Now plus y. So plus y, 1 is hide here. So the coefficient of y is here 1. Next, degree of polynomials, very easy. The degree of a polynomial is the highest degree for a term. The degree of a term is the sum of the powers of each variable in the term. The word degree has for some decades been favored in standard textbooks. In some older books, the word order is used. So the degree and the order of a polynomial is the same. It means we have to find the highest power of the given polynomial. Just for example, the polynomial 3 minus 5x plus 2x to the power 5 minus 7x to the power 9. So the highest power of the given polynomials, which term is containing minus 7x to the power 9. So the degree will be 9. So 3 minus 5x plus 2x to the power 5 minus 7x to the power 9 has degree 9. Now the zero polynomials. The constant polynomials whose coefficients are equal to 0. Coefficients are equal to 0. The corresponding polynomials function is the constant function with the value 0 is called the zero map. It means you will get the answer for finding the zeros of the polynomials of given polynomials. It will come a constant number. Suppose one polynomial px is given x square plus 1. So find the zero polynomial of x square plus 1. So we will find p0. So we are taking x as a 0. So p0 is equal to 0 to the power 2 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, that is coming 1. So 1 is a constant. So always you will get the zeros polynomial as a constant number. Now here you can see 3 words are written: monomial, binomial, trinomial. These all 3 words are related with the terms of the polynomial. So the first, a polynomial with 1 terms. A polynomial with 1 terms. Just for example, 5x cube, 8 and 4xy. These all are the polynomials which contain only 1 term. So this is category of monomial. The second is binomial. A polynomial with the 2 terms which are not like terms. Okay, which are not like terms. Just for example, 2x minus 3 is the example of the binomial. Also 3x to the power 5 plus 8x to the power 4 is also the one of the example of the binomial. And 2ab minus 6a square b to the power 5 is also the example of the binomial. You can see in in all the polynomials, they having the 2 terms, and both terms having the different order, different power. So these terms are considering as a unlike term. So 2x minus 3, if it is given 2x minus 3x, so we can subtract and we can write minus x. So minus x is the single term, so it will be considered monomial. So please mention one thing, the terms should be not like. And the third one is trinomial. Trinomial, a polynomial with 3 terms which are not like terms. Just for example, x square plus 2x minus 3, 3x to the power 5 minus 8x to the power 4 plus x cube, a square b plus 3x plus c. These all 3 polynomials are example of the trinomial, and these all 3 terms of the given polynomials are different in order. So we are considering as a trinomial. It not should be like term, it should be unlike term, then it can be possible. Now the most important is remainder theorem of polynomials. If a polynomial px is divided by x minus a, this is a general we are talking px. In the place of px, it may be p1, p2, p3. So px is divided by x minus a. The remainder obtained is pa. It means we are considering which number is divided by the polynomials like x minus a. Let us suppose one example is here, x minus 2. Px is divided by x minus 2. So what we will write? X minus 2 is equal to first 0. So x equal to 2. So we will find p2. X equal to 2, it means we will find p2. So p2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 4 to the power 2 minus 7 into 2 plus 10. So final answer is coming a constant number, that is minus 12. So whenever you are finding the remainder with the help of PA, that is PA is is the general. So we can find P1, P2, P3 and so on. So we will get the final answer as a constant. Factorization of a polynomials. Polynomials factorization is the same as the factorization of algebraic expression. So first you can see here there are the three terms in a polynomial, 3x square plus 10x plus 8. So for finding this factorization of the given polynomial, first we will see can it break in any formula. 3x square plus 10x plus 8. Other option is here, we will factorize this given expression, this given polynomials by the midterm breaking. For this, first rule is what? To multiply the highest power coefficient with the constant. So 3 into 8 is coming 24. Now take the LCM of 24 and arrange the midterm. Midterm is 10x. So we will arrange the LCM, which number is coming, arrange like we will add, we will subtract and we will arrange in the form of 10. So 24. So 6 into 4 is also coming 24, 6 plus 4 is also coming 10. So we will add this 6x plus 4x, that's why we are getting the 4 terms now. 3x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 8. Now we are getting the 4 terms. Now we will make the 2 group of this 4 terms. So first we will consider in one group 3x square plus 6x in a one group. Second is 4x plus 8 in second group. Now you just take the common, which number, which variable will become common in these 2 terms. 3x square plus 6x, we can see here 3x is coming common in both terms. So we will take as a common. In the bracket we will write x plus 2 and same thing we will do in the second group. 4x plus 8, we can take common only 4. So in bracket x plus 2 is coming. Now see, after taking the common in both groups, we are getting the same factors in the bracket x plus 2 and here also x plus 2. It means we are going right. If the values of the bracket is not coming same, it means we have done something wrong. So we have to check once again from the beginning. Now x plus 2 we will take 1 again common in both the terms. So x plus 2 is coming and rest number we will write in the next bracket. So x plus 2 into 3x plus 4. I hope so you have understood this because you have already done standard 8. Now algebraic identities. So the first is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. There is no problem if it is written minus a minus b whole square. We will write the same formula for minus a and minus b whole square as a plus b whole square. Next, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Fourth one, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Fifth one is aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc is equal to abc into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So these algebraic identities will help you to solve the given question of the exercise of polynomials. You have to identify which algebraic identities we will apply to solve the question. So basically these 5 will help you to solve the question which is given in the exercise. Thank you. God bless you all.